What have I done?
Corkscrew?
Yeah. Can you feel the power? Watch.
Again, same thing if you got it straight.
Hitting with the backhand.
Yeah!
It's like a wrestler.
That's how many people want this. Powerful. I'm doing this. Not so powerful. Open hand, or completely relaxed. Fajin. And you stand. All I'm doing is making noise. Shaking makes me look more powerful too. But when I hit something, it's before all that shit. Boom. It's not boom. So what you end up with is just smack. Not boom. Kapow. It doesn't work like that. Bullet flies through the air. Bang! It doesn't go spark, 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 noise, noise, bang. It just goes nothing. So, same thing. This is a con. And it's not an intentional con, that boom. It's an unintentional one, I think. In almost every case, people will punch and they'll realize they're getting a nice, and they see the audience approval. And so, subconsciously, they're rubbing the other hand. And it's a rubbing action. That looks good. Let's slide. Oh boy, he's so fast that you can hear it. Okay.
Whistling through the air.
Yeah, it's an old trick.